Hello everybody. As we have done through the previous video, after installing XAMPP and creating a database, it is time for learning about WordPress installation. In this video, we will try to keep it as simple as possible. For that, we are not going to install it using terminal but with another process. Because this is a beginner's video, if you are a beginner, you can follow this process, but we will advise you against it. We will show you the exact process for how to installing WordPress in Ubuntu in our advanced section, because it has some coding that we have to do. At first, we need to download our latest WordPress zip file from wordpress.org. After that, we have to extract it and copy it in htdocs folder under LAMP. We have renamed it as our site. After this, we have to do something so that Ubuntu can recognize this. If you go into the WordPress, you will see two files, that is wp-config.php and wp-config-sample.php. We will be modifying the wp-config.php. Let it open in gedit, and we will also show you the wp-config-sample.php. As you can see, both the files are identical. The differences is here in the define section, db name, db user and db password are all dynamic. We will make it static in the config.php by allowing the name of our database that we have created in the previous video, testdb, the root for the PHP, the root username for the PHP admin, and the password for the PHP admin, as well as the host will be localhost as before. After this, we need to give this WordPress its specific permission so that Ubuntu can recognize. So we'll go into terminal. Here we will give our site under htdocs a 755 permission. We will use -r for giving permission to all the subfolders that this directory holds. After all these processes has been completed, we will go to our browser for further configuring our WordPress. So let us go to our browser. In our browser, we have to type the WordPress name we have given under the localhost. So let us do it. And as you can see, the configuring window is here right now, as we already have done in Windows version of the WordPress. Here you have to give your site title. We will give it. The username has already been specified from the wp-config file. The password also been specified. We will put it in second time. You can use your email. We will give a dummy email here. And then we won't allow search engines to index this site. It is for privacy purpose. So after all of this have been done, let us install WordPress. After clicking on the install WordPress button, the installation will be successful and you will be redirected to the login page, where you have to give your username and your password. After that, you will press on login to log into our site, that means the WordPress. As you can see, the WordPress is now fully operational. Let us go to visit our site. As you can see, we can view the home page. Now we will start modifying this WordPress for our beta users, and in the end of this tutorial we will have a 5-page website, a basic website. So please follow our videos, and thank you very much.